back, everybody. Today I'm gonna do like a something different. It's gonna be about tech, but it's gonna be on like household item techs, like on the RoboRock S6 Pure. So RoboRock, it's not as well known as in the smart vacuum space as competitors like iRobot and other companies like that. RoboRock is a company that's been making smart vacuums since 2016. RoboRock got an investment from in 2014 from Xiaomi, the phone company Xiaomi, which is important to note because that's a firm known for its line of inexpensive security cameras. Yeah, Xiaomi. RoboRock, however, it's its own brand, focused on smart vacuums, which is frankly like it works in other fields. And their devices, it could take the same form and design, and almost in all the other vacuums in the market, round, like a large button on wheels, and typically in black and white. There's a RoboRock app that you can download, and the element that makes the vacuum start, that's the app is the element that makes the vacuum start, and it works on both iOS and Android. And you can connect the app to the vacuum and to your Wi-Fi, and then you can send like the vacuum on its merry way onto your smartphone. Sorry, a merry way through your smartphone, whether you're home or not. And there's also a way you can control the vacuum with Amazon Smart Assistant, as we all know, Alexa. Alright, getting started. As I told you, you would need to download the RoboRock app and connect it to the X6 Pure first. But we should add, you absolutely do not need the app to get the vacuum up and running. One suggestion or tip you could say. Maybe. Okay. It works fine without ever telling it what to do over Wi-Fi, and as long as you're okay just pressing the power button on the top, the vacuum does run on battery, so you would need to it needs to be charged at the dock. How this vacuum works. When running, the S6 Pure has a habit of letting you know when it's working hard, reverting its motor higher as it moves. Alright, now let's go in detail about the app. The RoboRock app was a solid feature, and it's simple to use with a clean design. Inside the app, you could actually watch the S6 Pure live as it cleans, marking the trails along with the areas it's covered and minutes left before on its charge and how long it's been running. Commands are also simple to give in this app, letting you pause and start the vacuum, whether that's vacuuming or mopping, and it's depending on what's attached, and that's what the S6 Pure would start to do. There's a lot of features, from do not disturb to the cleaning history, and even the maintenance page. One of my favorite features was taking ability to charge the voice and language on the mop. There is also an English button option, so if you were wondering, maybe. There's laser mapping and navigation on the S6 Pure, and it does an excellent job of getting any accurate. It has an excellent job uh, getting an accurate layout of my house. It did do really well with mapping. I was really surprised, and this makes the cleaning faster and more efficient in cleaning sessions. But it also means that the vacuum can recognize rooms, and it allows you to go into the app and tell the vacuum to clean a specific room when it needs it rather than the whole house. And you also get to set up a virtual wall in like certain areas, and there are no-go for the vacuums, no-go zones for the vacuum. Connecting it to Alexa. RoboRock is able to connect to Alexa, the vacuum claims, and to link the S6 Pure to the Amazon Smart Assistant, you need to go into the Alexa app, click on Skills and Games, and then find the RoboRock Plus skill, not RoboRock Home. And you need to download the skill, log into your RoboRock account that you just created, and then link the vacuum to Alexa. The app will walk you through this, but once that's all done, you can just then ask Alexa to turn on your S6 Pure. Price. The price of RoboRock was $550. But when you think about it, that's if it cleans your house and does mopping and everything, I feel like it's kind of a good deal for me. Actually, my parents got a deal, so I don't know how much. Must maybe it came down. Yeah, I don't know how much it came down, but they got a deal. And problems. The Roborock gets stuck very often, but it has an option to set, like I said, set no go zones, and to avoid specific areas like chairs or tables and like that. Okay, is the S6 Pure worth buying? The Roborock S6 puts itself as a competitor to other high-end vacuum brands like Escovas and iRobot by the price alone. The bin is okay. I like the bin. It's really nice and it picked up a lot of dust, and I felt like it was good working, and we didn't have to clean it that often, just maybe once in a while. So yes, but the vacuum itself is very powerful. If you have a home that needs light mopping daily, or you've been really looking forward to a smart vacuum that pairs with Amazon Smart Assistant, Alexa, and can be scheduled or and operated remotely, the RoboRock is a perfect match for you. Okay, who is this for? It's for people who want to save time for vacuuming, those who want advanced vacuum features but don't mind the price, who want a vacuum that can offer a basic wet mop upkeep for their floors, and households that are busy and have pets. Who's this isn't for? Houses with floors that require regular scrubbing, who don't want to set no go zones each time the vacuum mops, and those who are looking for a budget vacuum. Personally, I feel like every home should have a Roborock and okay, sorry, a robot vacuum. And the RoboRock S6 Pure is an excellent choice for most homes. And it does an excellent job of doing daily floor maintenance for vacuuming to scrubbing floors. And the addition of its fantastic mapping capabilities combined with the robust app gives you the ability to control almost precisely how your home is cleaned. The mopping features is a nice addition too. Though basic, it does help maintain hard floors between those manual scrubs. The RoboRock S6 Pure is, I would welcome it to my family, and it's a nice addition to my hectic house and to get a food brother. And I'm glad that its wide range of advanced features is available at its price range, but mostly glad that the S6 Pure is here and able to help save my parents from vacuuming every day. So, this is all I have for now, and I will see you in the next one. One more thing. A sub to the channel would be incredible. Alright, now I'll see you in the next one.